Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to play Roblox even when it's down. So if you get the message come up when it's not working, which looks a little bit like this, there is a way around it to actually play this while it's down. It's completely legit and free to do. So if this video does help you out today, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to get around this, it's actually quite simple to do. What you're going to want to do is open up your preferred browser and then just go ahead and open up a new tab. And what you want to do is come across to google.com and then Google search for something called the Wayback Machine. Which is spelled like this. And it's going to be this one at the top, which is archive.org web. So you just want to give that a click to open up the website. So what this does, this actually takes you to any point in time where a website would have been archived. So in this example, obviously we're doing Roblox. So what we want to do is come to this box up here, and we want to type www.web.roblox.com. So www.web.roblox.com, and then click onto this browse history tab here. And then what's going to happen, that's going to load up like this calendar, like so. And all you want to do is go back to a date and time when Roblox was working. So you can see if we hover over the 29th of October, and you can see it's got different times here where it's reported as working. So all you want to do is click onto any of these times, like so. And then what it's going to do is actually going to just take a minute to load the website at that exact moment in time. So 10:08:53 on October the 29th, 2021. So you just want to give it a minute to load that through. And then you'll see what's going to happen. It's actually going to load up the Roblox website, and it will load up on the home page with the obviously sign up form and login button, and there you have it. So what you can do is obviously go ahead and log into your account from here. It works absolutely fine. It's completely legit to do. The only thing I would say is that sometimes it does take a little bit longer, but obviously this is a good workaround to play whilst the servers are down, or if they're doing any sort of maintenance or anything on the Roblox servers. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If this did help you out today, then please leave a like on the video and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.